Your windows and doors are critical components of your home, offering much more than just access and natural light. They also play a vital role in keeping your home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. Over time, however, windows and doors can degrade due to wear and tear, environmental factors, or outdated technology. Homeowners in Layton, with its fluctuating climate, should be particularly mindful of how weather, wear, and age can impact these essential elements. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your windows and doors, there are several signs to look for that will help you make an informed decision. Here are the top signs that it may be time for a window and door replacement in Layton. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest signs that your windows and doors need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Over time, old or inefficient windows and doors lose their ability to keep your home properly insulated. During the summer, they allow cool air to escape, and during the winter, they let the warm air in, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you notice a steady rise in your energy costs without a corresponding increase in usage, it may be because your windows and doors are no longer energy efficient. Replacing them with newer, energy-efficient models can significantly reduce your energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Drafts and air leaks. Drafty windows and doors are a common issue in homes with older installations. If you feel a noticeable draft around the edges of your windows or doors, even when they are closed, it means that they aren't properly sealed and are allowing outside air to enter your home. This not only makes your living spaces uncomfortable but also reduces your home's energy efficiency. To check for air leaks, you can perform a simple test by holding a candle or incense stick near the edges of your windows and doors. If the smoke moves or the flame flickers, it's an indication that air is leaking through. Replacing drafty windows and doors with newer, well-sealed models will help you maintain a stable indoor temperature and keep drafts at bay. Visible damage or wear. If you notice visible damage to your windows or doors, such as cracked glass, rotting frames, chipped paint, or broken seals, it's time to consider a replacement. Not only do these issues affect your home's aesthetic appeal, but they can also compromise its security, insulation, and functionality. For example, broken seals or cracked glass in your windows can lead to condensation buildup or poor energy performance. Damaged doors may not close properly, leaving your home more vulnerable to break-ins or the elements. Replacing these windows and doors with newer, more durable options will improve both the appearance and functionality of your home. Difficulty operating windows and doors. Over time, windows and doors can become difficult to operate, especially if the materials have warped, the hardware has deteriorated, or the mechanisms have become misaligned. If your windows are difficult to open and close, or if your doors don't latch properly, it can be a significant inconvenience and a safety issue. Windows that stick or doors that fail to close tightly also compromise your home's security, as they may be easier for intruders to break into. Newer windows and doors with updated technology are easier to operate and come with advanced locking mechanisms that improve security. Condensation between window pane. If you have double pane windows and notice condensation between the panes of glass, it's a clear indication that the seal has failed. This allows moisture to enter the space between the panes, which can reduce the insulation properties of the window and lead to mold or mildew growth. While the broken seal doesn't always compromise the window's structural integrity, it reduces its energy efficiency and affects the overall comfort of your home. Replacing the window is the best option to restore its full functionality and prevent any further damage or mold growth. Noise pollution. Living near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods can make it difficult to find peace inside your home. If you notice that outside noise is becoming more noticeable inside, it could be due to old or inefficient windows and doors. These older models often lack the soundproofing capabilities of modern windows, allowing traffic noise, construction sounds, or noisy neighbors to filter into your home. Energy-efficient windows with multiple panes of glass and improved seals provide better sound insulation than older, single-pane windows. If you live in a noisy area, replacing your windows and doors with soundproofing models can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Outdated style or aesthetic. Sometimes, the need to replace windows and doors isn't due to functionality but aesthetics. If your windows or doors are outdated, mismatched with the rest of your home's design, or simply don't reflect your style, upgrading them can give your home a fresh, modern look. New windows and doors are available in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architecture while improving its overall curb appeal. Whether you prefer traditional wooden windows, sleek modern frames, or energy-efficient options with advanced features, replacing old windows and doors can elevate your home's interior and exterior aesthetics. You're renovating or selling your home. If you're planning a renovation or preparing to sell your home, upgrading your windows and doors is an investment that can pay off in the long run. New windows and doors enhance the overall value and appeal of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. In fact, homes with energy-efficient features, modern design elements, and improved security are often more desirable on the market. Whether you're updating the look of your home or looking to improve its energy performance before listing it for sale, replacing old windows and doors is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Conclusion. When to replace your windows and doors in Layton. If you're noticing increased energy bills, drafts, difficulty operating windows and doors, or visible damage, it's time to consider replacing your windows and doors. Upgrading to newer models will improve your home's comfort, security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, all while adding value to your property. Don't wait until the issues worsen. Replacing your windows and doors in Layton is an investment that will pay off in the form of lower utility bills, improved quality of life, and increased home value. Whether you're enhancing your home for your own enjoyment or preparing to sell, new windows and doors are a wise investment that will provide lasting benefits.